Philippine Airlines look at strengthening its hub of operation in Cebu now that the Terminal 2 of Mactan-Cebu International Airport is going to be operational very soon. PAL's President and Chief Operating Officer Jaime Bautista revealed PAL is expecting the delivery of its new aircrafts within the year. At the inauguration and blessing of PAL's new Mabuhay Lounge at the Terminal 2, Bautista also acknowledged their valued guests and clients who have been patronizing the country's flag carrier.
We will only succeed with the support of our loyal customers, and thus we have to earn our customers' trust and loyalty every day on every flight. Our million milers, Mr. Jose Enrique de las Peñas, Antonio Gallardo, and Noel Arandilla.
PAL also invited the guests and members of the Cebu media to its new luxurious Mabuhay Lounge located within the Terminal 2 of the Mactan-Cebu International Airport. We're going to start the blessing in a moment, and guests are coming in. The new terminal will open on July 2, and this new Mabuhay Lounge will be open also on that date. The new Mabuhay Lounge was inaugurated and blessed by Monsignor Dennis Villarojo on June 28, 2018.
The food selection will be better than the ones that we serve in the domestic. No? So it will be similar to the food that we offer in our international Mabuhay Lounge in Manila.
Bautista added, the new Mabuhay Lounge is one of the most beautiful lounges in the entire PAL network. Majority of the design is inspired by a tropical and resort feel. The furniture and interior design are provided by Cebu Phil Veneer Corporation, an Italian-owned manufacturing company based in Mactan. Jose E.L. Perez de Tagle, PAL's Vice President for Corporate Communications, extends his gratitude to their valuable passengers, foreign and domestic, for always choosing Philippine Airlines.
Well, our message to all the people, whether you are our fellow kababayans from all over the world or people wanting to visit the Philippines, this is our chance to say to you that we are open for business, we're open for holiday. We now have here in Cebu a terminal that is probably one of the very best in this part of Asia as well. And for Philippine Airlines, we are offering you our 4-star quality service, of which this lounge, the new Mabuhay Lounge, is available.
Well, first, we should be very proud that you have this Terminal 2 in Cebu. No? I think it is one of the best terminals, not only in the Philippines, but in Southeast Asia. No? So this is a pride not only to the Cebuanos, but to all the Filipino people.
Luzon, MyTV, Cebu.